Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and it is time for us to do our Free It Friday along with a Funny Car Friday. And today we are showcasing Bruce Larson's rides, and we have all three of his cars from the Dragstrip Demon series from Hot Wheels back in 2009 and 2010 era. Um, they had his Camaro, his Corvette, and Monza. The Monza is the one we're cracking open today. It's the last one we needed. We already had these two. These are the two we've done videos on in the past. We actually unboxed all of the Dragstrip Demons Camaros in one video and all of the Dragstrip Demons Corvettes in one video. There are 4 Camaros, 2 from the 2009 set and 2 from the 2010 set. The 09 set is 30 cars and the 10 set is only 25 cars. So if you see it's something like 21 of 25, that's the Monza. That would be the 2010 set. And if it says like 1 of 30, then you have the 2009 set, the car from the 2009 set, I should say. I'm not sure which sets these came from. I think this one came from the first set. They both might have, actually. I cannot recall. That's the bad thing about cracking them open, because I don't remember the year that they came in, and the copyright date. Like, this is a retooled one. They had vets in the first and second. There's only 3 Corvettes, 2 Mongoose, and 1 Larson USA-1. This is a beautiful car. Love the mural on the back window of the nuclear power plant. That's very cool. The other vets just have regular, like, Lexan rear clear windows. And this one has a mural on it. It's very unique. So, the Camaro is also very cool, and the white on all of his cars is very beautiful. It almost has like a yellow tint to it because of the pearl that's in it. And if it's like under a really good light or in the sun, you can see all the pearl essence rainbow colors in the paint. It's very nice looking. So, anyways, this is the guy we're showcasing today, the unboxing. As I said, he's number 21 of 25. This is Bruce Larson's 75 Chevy Monza Funny Car USA-1. So, I'm not sure what all cars Larson ran in the 70s, but I'm going to assume that we have pretty much most of them. There may have been one other one, but I don't know. There could have been a Vega somewhere in there, because a lot of guys that were running the Monzas were running Vegas too. So that's one that could be out there that they have not made a diecast of. But we have the 70 Camaro, the 75 Monza, and I think this is based on like a 77 or 78 Corvette. So that pretty much rounds out the 70s. So anyways, this guy came in the case with the 63 Nova AWB Snake Eyes, which is a very hard to find and valuable car when you do find it. And then the 65 Dodge Coronet AFX, the honker, which is another big money car. And Dell, I think it's Pewdies, something like that. War Eagle 77 Firebird is another one that's getting up there in price. And the 65 Dodge Coronet AWB Stacked Deck is another one that's getting up there in price. The Snake Eyes and the Stacked Deck have been high money cars since they were released. They were hard to find. Along with Gone to Blazes, the Mustang funny car. But ironically, the Mustang has fallen in price. And a few of the ones that were never really that popular grew in price, like the honker. That was one that wasn't that big of a deal. Same thing with the War Eagle and also the Bubble Up peacemaker, whatever it is. That one is also worth an arm and a leg nowadays. I mean, it's not huge money. It's not 3 digits. It's still like a 2-digit price, like $50 to $60, something like that. But that's still high compared to what they were going for. Like back, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago, they were like 15 or $20, something like that. So, anyways, let's get this guy off the card and look at him. But I'm kind of wondering why this guy didn't start going for big money, because all of the really high-end, big money cars, not all of them, came from this case, it seems like. The Snake Eyes is worth money, the Honker, the War Eagle, and Stack Deck. The only one that is the odd man out is this Monza. You can get him still yet for like 20 to 30 bucks. I got this one, I think, for like $20, $22, because the card had a sticker tear on it, which I didn't care, because I crack them anyways. So, the package isn't that, like, special to me. It doesn't mean that much. As long as the car is perfect, there's no paint issues, I'm good. I keep the old packages, though, just so I can refer to them if I was trying to figure out which number is which, so I don't have to look it up on eBay or Google. I have the cards at my access. I can go and say, oh, this one came from this set, and it's this number, and so forth. So, anyways, great looking Monza. This is my first Monza of the Dragstrip Demon series this time around. I used to have all of the Dragstrip Demons back in like 2012, 2013. Then I got out of the hobby for a few years. So now I'm trying to piece the Dragstrip Demon series back together. Minus a few. Like the Fords, I don't really care so much about. The Challengers, I don't really care so much about, because it's really not a great casting. And then just some of them I'm not really striving to get. But the Monza, I had to get this one to finish up this set, because I love the paint scheme of USA-1 and such, and I just had to have all three of them next to each other. Plus, this gives me the opportunity to give you guys a comparison of Hot Wheels Monza versus action racing car collectibles of America's Monza funny car. We'll do that comparison this weekend, actually. I was going to do it with this video, but I wanted to showcase all of Bruce Larson's rides in this video along with this Monza. Show you guys how cool they look next to each other. I may try to get the other Monzas later on. I know the next one that I'm trying to get is going to be the Snake Army Monza and such. I'm trying to get all of his Army rides. They have the Snake Army Vega and Army Monza. I have the Army Arrow and the Army Cuda, but I need the two Chevys. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today. As I said, we'll be back either tomorrow or Sunday to do that comparison of Hot Wheels Funny Car Monza versus Actions Funny Car Monza. So be sure to tune back in for that to see who does it better and such. And then that's pretty much it for our weekend videos. And as always, we'll be back on Monday with some Mopars. But enjoy your Friday, and we'll see you in a day or so.